our 4-feet exhaust canopy hood, our 4-feet hood. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 30 inches. Coming to the interior of the hood will be 2 removable grease traps or filters, with each one measuring 15 3/4 inches in length by 16 inches in height. Measurements apply for both grease traps. Top and center is the main bulb. On the side will also be a removable oil pan. Measurements for the oil pan will include 4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Interior dimensions will be 3.5 inches in length, 6 inches in depth, by 3 3/4 inches in height. Oil pan can be removed and snapped back onto the side of the interior. Coming to the inside of the hood itself, measurements will include 48 inches in length, with a height of 30 inches. And located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification. Will be 2 brackets. These brackets are required to hook up and install for the hood. This hood can be purchased separately or together along with our exhaust hoods that we sell through Cooler Depot. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.